Uh-huh. Look, little handles. One
Brothers.
one for me, one for you. One's wearing on
But
this
you
one.
have to go like this.
Well, if you drop it in water, you're good. You're gonna be the ball fetcher. But yeah, this little handle. Look at this, perfect. We got a camping trip happening. You should probably take all the camping stuff down. Well, it's time to start a sandwich factory. Lineup, let's go. Let's go.
Make a lineup, huh?
Make a lineup, homie. Buddy wants his farmer
Where's
wrap.
Mikey? Mikey's looking for something. He's looking for a mattress and we don't have it.
Fucking 10 degrees.
What we're gonna do now?
Hands up in the cookie jar, they watching me, they watching me. They got eyes up in the sky, so close for that camera, they follow me.
Yeah.
There it is. Everyone's here.
We were just asking if we got it.
What's going on here? What's happening?
We gotta unpack everything.
Packed, all packed and stuff.
You guys need to...
What you got there?
Some neutral. Start off.
And we're gonna go.
Either
I
can.
want 12.
Oh, there's a 12
What's
case?
happening?
Okay, I'll take whatever case you can find.
Starters.
Wait, should I get beers?
Oh, guys, we're good to go? Okay, you take the camera because you're not doing nothing.
Mike,
We're here.
No, you've been here to come see.
Yeah.
You've been here since he was a baby.
And they're just stuck over there somewhere, going in circles. They don't know what they're doing. Steer. One canoe is lost. Basically lost. And we don't know where they are. Go. They're not even around the bend. They're gonna be blaming each other, watch, eh?
I've been drinking neutral 7.
What happened there? Why'd you get lost, huh?
We made it. We made it.
Fucking made it, bro.
We made it. We made it.
Made it. You got lost a little bit. We sat there waiting for you guys.
We beat you to it. What happened there?
Well, we had to wait for you. That's what
No,
happened.
no,
Because you
no.
guys got, couldn't figure it out.
We made it. Unloaded. This is our tent. We found it.
We're setting up camp. Lots of tents all around. Nicole, you need some help? You good? I'm good. Oh, fuck. She's a pro. Leo, fucking black light landed right on my camera. Sandra and Vinny. Hi. Tell me what happened.
You know, we have a,
Why is his portrait here?
I don't know.
Well, we'll see it. We'll find out tonight.
We'll know. We'll story. We'll Google the story.
I'll sing my thoughts until they turn into
That like pencil thing I threw at Vinny and earlier when I
Charlie's going inside. Man.
Save me. Yeah. I'm overboard, man, overboard.
You're saving hot.
What's going on here?
It's amazing. Living in life in paradise.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
Don't touch.
Yeah, go Joel. Don't touch Joel, Batty.
There you go.
One more time. One more time. No touch. No touch.
Everyone has to have
Wait, what?
Where's in there? Oh. Uh-oh.
Punch the butt.
I have no idea. Poor Luna, drinking water at night. Yeah.
I said get out. I said get out. No, there's no such thing as going out.
What's going on here?
Yeah, it's photo. So he's eating.
Hardcore, man.
The guy is eating today.
5-star, 5-star.
All right, running. Loki's running. Come on, Loki.
Oh yeah. Hey, Mikey. Lush, right here to the camera.
So what's the plan?
It's just the shadow.
The plan is we go on Charlie the Unicorn. Over there.
Yeah.
We get pulled.
Sure.
Catamaran starting. It's not waterproof though, eh? I'm waterproof. That'd be cool.
flip. Yeah, watch your steps, slippers.
Wait, watch.
Oh, Luna, god dang it. Go back to mommy. Daddy's okay. It's okay. And look,
Oh yeah.
go from the top. POV. You can see if you can. Buddy will like this. This is spicy, eh?
So
Buddy, I think you should have this one. Okay, Buddy's gonna have that one.
I don't know.
There's a bee in his tent and he's allergic to bees. Joel,
There's a bee in there.
we need to get it out.
Night, day 2, night.
Fire!
Jarcie happening.
I woke up from a nap and we just
Huh?
Gabby.
Oh.
Call Gabby.
Is that your little safe spot, Luna? That's a good spot. What are you doing there, little buddy?
You know, just mix
You gotta show off the wine when you're camping.
not only the wine, but the box.
Box.
Joel told me to pass it around and not take no's and answers.
And that's
so.
what's happening? You're taking no as an answer?
No, he said not a puppy.
Don't put your tongue in the bottle, though.
That's all I can drink out of.
Got it? There you go. What do you need a lighter for? Can you put it back? Haircut done.
It actually tastes really good.
Alright, swallow. Alright, swallow. Haircut. And alright, swallow. Alright, swallow. Hold it. Woo!
Great.
There you go. That's hilarious. Okay. And hold it.
fucking trying to pull my body. Video was raped.
Hey, you were supposed to help me. This guy didn't help me. You're supposed to help me.
And we survived the night.
Oh yeah.
Time to pack up. How you feeling? Good?
No, not good.
Good after yesterday?
No bueno.
Where's Emiliana?
I talked to her this morning.
You told her she left the island?
We put her to
She
bed.
gone.
Yeah, I feel totally fine.
I was terrible, but then I went for a swim and
Packed up. Canoes are packed up. Still having some drinks though, eh, guys? Cheers.
Well, you got it. You got it.
Well, how was the island experience? Buddy liked it, huh? Buddy liked it. Buddy's done this before.
Mikey,
Honey.
you
He scares me to
Buddy's
drive.
done this
gotta
before.
drive, man.
Buddy's done this before.
Why can't you drive?
I don't trust myself.
Luna's already ready. You ready to go home, right? Hey, we're gonna go home soon. We're gonna go soon, okay? You're gonna wait in the canoe. There's Luna waiting in the canoe. Yeah, everybody's gonna have to take one.
Mine? It might be mine.
My girl's here. Hi, water lover. Hi, Duffy Neck. And we're off. To Gillies we go. To Snug Harbor we go.
Every year there's
See where there's a slow down? It looks like this is just a dead-end circle. But it's a little tunnel over here. The canal. It's very deceiving. Oh, you're not going swimming. No, come here, yeah, canal.
This is my good arm.
No pain, no gain.
This is my good hand.
I had the pickerel with the baked potato.
We'll get you a big